Hi, I'm Yuto, and today on Stachi I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut version of a popular Japanese yoshoku dish called hayashi rice. Let's get started. First you need 200 grams of thinly sliced beef, sprinkle it with a pinch of salt and pepper, then coat with about 2 teaspoons of flour. I recommend using thinly sliced round or short rib, something with a nice amount of fat is ideal. Next we're going to melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Use a large or deep pan because we'll be using this to make the broth as well. Once the butter is melted, add 1 finely diced garlic clove and fry that until fragrant. Now let's increase the heat to medium and add the beef. Fry that until browned and then add half a sliced onion and fry until slightly softened. Next we adding 1 cube bell pepper and 4 thinly sliced button mushrooms. Mix it well and then reduce the heat back down to low. Mix in 1 more teaspoon of flour and mix. Now we're ready to make the broth. We're adding the broth ingredients one at a time and mixing well between each one. Start with 2 tablespoons of ketchup and mix. Then 4 tablespoons of red wine and mix. Then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and then mix again. Finally, we add 300 ml of beef bouillon and increase the heat to bring the mixture to a boil. Once your broth is bubbling, lower the heat once more and then leave it to simmer until it's reduced and thickened. In the meantime, I'm going to make garlic butter rice to serve with it. Here I have my preheated wok and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter and 1 finely diced garlic clove. Fry over medium heat and once it's fragrant, add about 2 portions of cooked uncooked rice. In Japan, 1 standard rice portion is about 150 grams, so if you want more rice, I recommend increasing the butter and garlic too. I don't add any salt or seasoning here because there's plenty of flavour coming from the hayashi broth. I do like to sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of dry parsley to add some colour and subtle flavour though. Make sure you mix it well and once it's all cooked through and well combined, take it off the heat. Okay, let's check the broth. Here you can see that it is thickened and reduced. You can reduce it further if you like, but this looks good to me, so I'm going to dish up. Place the rice on one side of the plate and then spoon the hayashi beef over the other side. And that's it, delicious shortcut hayashi rice with buttery and fragrant garlic rice. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and to everyone who voted for this recipe. If you want to see the written version of this recipe, check out my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you like one plate type of dish like this, check out my teriyaki salmon plate video on the screen too. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks again, bye.